everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. I'm so excited today to share with you the February Allure Beauty Box. It came just in time for Valentine's Day. I'm gonna test everything out to see what I'll be packing in my weekend bag because my husband and I are gonna take a romantic Valentine's Day getaway. So I'm excited to see what I got and what I can add to my weekend bag. But before we get to the goodies, like always, I'm gonna ask you to please subscribe. Go ahead, follow along. And of course, like always, you have your guide, tells you everything that's in it and how to use it, which I find super helpful. This time there's also this kind of like gift card promo thing for some jewelry, which is great. But there's another bag! And it's the same bag as last time, only this one is black. So I can actually use this as like an evening clutch or brunch clutch, especially in the summer because it's kind of like this translucent material, kind of a jelly like make. I'm so freaking excited. I love this bag. The one that I got last month I use in my Neverfull bag, and so this one I'm very, very excited about. Okay, so first up is this Moda Metallics eyeshadow brush. And according to the guide, it says that this brush can really be used for all over eye application. So I'm gonna try it. It's kind of, like it's a little bit tapered, but it's also kind of wide. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it with doing my full over eye makeup look. And luckily they included an eyeshadow kit, or palette. So this is the Model Co eyeshadow trio. So let's take a look at it and then see how this brush works with this product and the shadows, and we'll just decide how we feel about all of it together. Here's the colors. Very pretty. I love this kind of like golden nude, and then this like brown taupe, and this like burgundy that seems to be the color this season. So I'm gonna start with this one, kind of all over my lid. And I'm using the widest part of the brush to get as much of it on there as possible. It's very pretty and delicate. I really like it. And it builds well, but it's really pretty and very natural. You see how the difference between this eye and this eye, like this one just looks clean and pretty. This one, still naked. And I have foundation on, but I left my eyes alone to try out these eye makeup products. And it's very close to like the natural hues in my skin anyway, so really liking that color. Okay, and I'm gonna wipe this brush off, move on to this brown that I'm gonna do my contouring with. The brown feels more pigmented than the nude did, which can be good. I think this brush might be just a little too big for my lid to do contouring with. Having a hard time really controlling the pigmentation and the color. Now I'm gonna try the burgundy kind of Bordeaux color. And I'm gonna use just like the side of it to make kind of an eyeliner effect, see if the brush works that way. And it does. And again, this Bordeaux has a lot more pigmentation than the natural tone does. But altogether, it comes out this very pretty polished kind of uptown girl look. So this is a very good neutral palette. I'm very excited to have it. I think it's definitely going in my weekend bag. And I like this brush. I don't think I would use it as my only brush, but I really liked the way it did the all over color. So next is the Brow Gal Instant Brow Tint. And I don't have anything currently on my eyebrows. My eyebrows are just naturally dark. Oh wow, look how little this brush is. So little, I love it, okay. Oh wow, I love that, look at that. Look at the difference between my two eyebrows. This like just looks perfectly natural and finished, and the color goes really well with my blonde, my caramel blonde. And just looks so like finished without looking like really made up. I don't like that kind of Instagram model, super overdone eyebrow look. So I love this. I really love this. This is, I think I'm just gonna buy this. I'm gonna go on Amazon right now and buy this. I love this. Okay, so next we have the Mile High Club Wonder Mascara. So according to the guide, it is super buildable. So we're gonna test that out. It's in like ultra black too, which is how I like my mascara. So, okay, so the brush, first of all, is really thin. I kind of hate when a mascara has like the really big brush. I get it, like it makes you look at it and feel like it's gonna give you big lashes, but the reality is it's really difficult to use on your eyelash. This is a really good size to actually be able to work it into your eyelash, so hopefully the color goes on really well. Layer 1. It's okay. Okay, let's do layer 2 now. You can definitely see it building up and lengthening. Okay, and then I like to do a third layer. 3 is my lucky number for mascara layers. So let's see, definitely by the second layer though, you can see the difference. It feels very full and rich. So let's see what the third layer does. Oh, that's lovely. That's a really nice mascara. Okay, so that was the makeup that was included in this month's February Allure Beauty Box. Now there are some other products that are not makeup, they are beauty care. So according to the guide, this face wash, which is the Mamonde Petal Spa Oil to Foam Rose Face Wash, is supposed to be like amazing for dissolving makeup. That's what the guide says. So we are gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna wash my face with it. Ooh, do you see that texture? It's kind of like a serum. It's very nice. I don't know how much to use, so I'm just doing like a quarter-sized amount. And then it says to add water, it'll foam up and wash off, so that's what I'm gonna do. So this is how it foams. Oh my Lord, it smells so freaking good. Oh, it doesn't foam up a lot, but it's definitely removing makeup. Okay, well, it sure did it. My face is very clean feeling, and there's very little product, and it wasn't like a lot of suds or anything. It was really smooth and clean, and does it smell amazing. So it's the Rose flower, and it is just so beautiful smelling, and it feels really good on your skin. My skin feels very dry now though. Now that I've washed it off, it feels very dry, but really smooth. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on this next product, which is the Vitamin C Derma E Vitamin C Concentrated Serum with hyaluronic acid. It's a really little sample size, but let's see how it works. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with just 2 little squirts. See if that is enough. This is oh, it smells so good. It's a liquid, it's a very liquid texture. That was enough, and it goes on really easily. No residue really left on my fingers. It smells so good. It smells like a spa. I don't know how to explain it, but not like eucalyptus or just like very, very clean, almost like a lemon scent. Okay, so my skin feels okay. It feels good. The serum's a little sticky though to like the touch. It feels a little sticky on my skin. So we'll see. Like always, I will keep you updated in the comments if anything changes in my opinion or anything. It feels fine, and my skin's fully covered. I usually prefer a serum that feels a little more moisturized. So I don't know how I feel about it, but it smells good. Okay, and then last is this Memond Flower Lab Essence Mask in Magnolia. And considering how much I just loved that wash, I'm very excited to be trying another Memond product. This packaging is so pretty. This one claims to be a brightening mask for bright and clear complexion. So let's use it. I really like this gel texture of the serum that's on there. It just kind of feels like it's gonna stay put. And then the mask itself is like very natural, kind of papyrus feeling paper instead of like cheap paper. So it feels really good. It says to leave it on 10 to 20 minutes. I'm the type of girl that wants to get as much out of her product as humanly possible. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave it on for 20 minutes and come back and show you how my skin looks and feels after I'm done with it. Okay, so it's been just about 20 minutes. So I'm gonna take the mask off now. And the serum got kind of cold while it was on, but it feels really good, and my skin, I feel like it does look bright. I'm really disappointed that it didn't smell like anything. You know, like on the packaging, it talks about how this brand is harvesting the essence of flowers, and then it didn't smell like a flower. So that was a great box. My top 3 items were definitely the clutch, the brow gel, and the mascara. So very, very happy to have those products. I also really liked the face wash. I'm gonna use it every day until it runs out. And like always, I'm gonna update the comments and let you know how that works out for me. But super excited, very, very glad with this month's box. Cannot wait for next month's box. Ciao.